New technique to skin the catfish. Easy, simple. Save your time too. I show you how. This is not an animal cruelty. This is the way of we cleaning the fish. Make it go faster. So you need to cut here, cut the skin on there. That's kind of separate the skin. Make it 2 to 3 pieces. So you cut alongside this, and then on that. And then cut here. That's 1 piece. That's 1 piece you cut here. That's gonna be the nugget portion, and you cut here, along here. That's gonna be another piece. The skin is pretty tough. But so you need to peel that off a little bit like this. Same thing on this side. Maybe. Peel that off like that. And on this side. Now, use your plier. Very simple. Grab the skin that you just cut and pull downward. See that? That, my friend, is pretty simple. See that? See that? Okay, other side, right here. Like I said, that skin's pretty tough. Grab it, pull it. I've seen some of the people that pull the whole thing. It's kind of hard. If it's big catfish, yeah, I think that'll work. But the small one, if you cut into section, it's easier to pull it out. You know, that 2 to 3 sections like this. Pretty simple. Isn't that easy? Now is the nugget portion, which is the belly. The belly is always challenging because the meat over there is pretty thin, like this. The skin is pretty tough. But you still can do it. Look at this. See? There you go. Now you just simply fillet them. I'm gonna use this fish to make a fish jerky tonight. let's get the fillet first. A little bit hard since I want to get very close to the bone. I don't want to waste anything. It's just a shame, you know, to waste a good meat on the good fish. I want to be able to use all the meat. I don't want to throw away any. Again, this is not animal cruelty, so it's just the way we fillet them, and then I found it to be very easy to skin them. There's a tons of meat in here. I don't want to waste it. There you go, one fillet coming out, and that's the belly section. We deal with that later. I'm gonna get this way out. It's kind of loose right now. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit. It's easier when you tighten. Like I said, I want all the meat. I don't want to waste it. This is all the bone for this section. This guy a little bit hard.